November the 25th, is the International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women. And violence against women is spiraling. It's getting worse and worse, increasing every day due to extreme patriarchy in the context of conflict, because of poverty, and because of extreme patriarchal norms, and even climate vulnerability, the concept of armed conflict. It's very unreported because there's a terrible stigma. But 1 in 3 women all over the world will experience violence of all sorts in their lifetime: physical, sexual, verbal, and now on the cyber line. So I have to say that the whole world should be reading the incredible writings and philosophy of Abdullah Öcalan, the leader of the Kurds, who's been in prison for over 26 years. And he's the only man in human history who's ever understood that you can never have a free, peaceful, democratic, and just society without central to it the empowerment of women and gender equality, and eliminating all this terrible violence which comes from patriarchy. And we should all take a lesson from the model that he's established, for example, in Rojava in northeast Syria, where women are equal to men in every way, and women are there in decision making, and anybody who is violent against women is seen as a criminal and convicted and punished. God bless the Kurdish women's revolution who understood all this for a long time. Thank you very much.